If you're busy and you don't always have time to cook from scratch, this video is for you. Today I will show you how to make and store enough meat pies that last you and your family for up to 4 months. If you want to learn how to make flaky meat pie from start to finish, check out my other videos. I will leave the links in the comments. Prepare and roll your meat pies as you normally do. Cooking for family is never easy, especially when you are the only woman in the house. I try to make it easier for myself by applying some tips and strategies. If you want to know what I do, follow my channel. Next, arrange the folded meat pies on a flat tray or plate. Make sure none of them are touching each other. Transfer the tray into the freezer and allow the meat pies to freeze completely. Once frozen, remove them from the tray and transfer them into a Ziploc or bread bag. Return them to freezer for long-term storage. Whenever you're ready to bake, simply take out the quantity you need from the freezer. Apply an egg wash and bake. You will notice that the egg freezes almost immediately when it touches the frozen meat pie. Don't worry, that's completely normal. To make the color more beautiful, lightly brush the frozen meat pies with cooking oil first and bake for 6 minutes. Then apply the first egg wash and bake for another 6 minutes. And after that, apply the second egg wash and then continue baking until the meat pies are golden brown and beautifully baked. The second egg wash is optional, but it helps to give the meat pies a richer color and shine. And that's how you can make and store meat pies for up to 4 months, making mealtime easier whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple cooking tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.